If you are tired of typing long emails or you want to sound more personal when talking to clients, customers, or team members, then Vocal is a tool you should know about. Vocal helps you to record voice messages and send them through email easily with smart features like AI transcription, tracking, and mobile support. It turns your voice into a powerful communication tool. Before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find useful tools that save time and improve the communication. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the Vocal with its lifetime deal from AppSumo. And obviously, you will get some discount by using our link from description. When you use the link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. Now, let's talk about what Vocal actually does and how it can help you. Vocal is mainly built for the voice-based communication through the email. Instead of writing long messages, you can simply record your voice using your browser or mobile phone. After recording, Vocal generates a secure link and you paste that into your email. The receiver click the link and listen to your message instantly without downloading anything. One big advantage of Vocal is how personal it feels. When someone hears your voice, the message becomes more human. This is very useful for sales follow-ups, client support, onboarding, reminders, or even internal team communication. Your tone, emotion, and clarity are much better compared to plain text. Vocal also includes the AI transcription. That means when you send a voice note, Vocal can automatically convert your speech into text. The receiver can read the message if they are busy or in a noisy place. This is helpful for accessibility and also for the people who prefer reading instead of listening. Another strong feature is email and the link tracking. You can see when the recipient opened your voice message and when they listen to it. This is very useful for sales professionals and freelancers because you know when to follow up. Instead of guessing, you have a clear signals. Vocal supports CNAME and branding options on higher plans. This means you can use your own domain and branding instead of the Vocal branding. For businesses and agencies, this makes communication look more professional and trustworthy. Mobile support is also very smooth. You can record and send voice notes directly from your phone. This is helpful if you travel a lot or want to respond quickly without sitting at your desk or computer. Just tap your record button and send it. Because Vocal offers a lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you use it for the long run. This is a big benefit compared to monthly subscription tools, especially for the freelancers, small business owners, and consultants who want to keep cost low. But you should also know the limitations. Vocal is not made for the long podcast style recordings. It works best for the short to medium voice messages. Also, some advanced feature like full branding, higher recording limits, or advanced analytics, this may depend on the plan you choose. Another thing to remember is that some people still prefer the text emails, so Vocal works best when it used smartly, not for the every single message. You should use the voice when emotion, explanation, or the personal touch is important. Overall, Vocal is a very useful tool if you want faster, more personal, and more effective email communication. It saves time, reduces the typing, and help you to stand out in the crowded inboxes. If you are a freelancer, salesperson, business owner, coach, or remote team leader, then Vocal can improve how people can connect with you. So that's all basically. Now I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like simple and honest reviews like this, then please subscribe to Easy Access Tech channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the Vocal with its lifetime deal. So that's it basically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.